welcome to Living in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm Evan Deal with the Lead Icon team in eXp Realty, and today we are back in Westfield, Indiana, looking at the beautiful Silverthorne Homes community in Somerset West. There are lots of options here, and this home is gorgeous. Stick with me for a minute, and then we'll take a look inside. Before we get there, leave a like on this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so that you're kept in the loop on everything happening in and around Indianapolis, all the new build communities, all of Westfield, and more. All right, let's go take a look. All right, let's head inside the Monroe model. So this is going to be the top model you see in Somerset West, and there's some really nice options here. First of which, we're going to talk all about options. Check this out off to the side. This is actually a flex space. So you can see they have it staged as a dining room, like a really beautiful formal dining room with tons of seating, storage capacity. You got a little drink bar over here, but guess what? You could do this as an office, sitting room, or you can even flex it into your garage space as kind of like a third bay for storage. So that's really cool, and I haven't seen that with other builders in the area. So right off the bat, you're getting great options here with Silverthorne. And check it out. In this model, in the Monroe, named after President Monroe, all their models are named after presidents, which is kind of cool. Everything from the Eisenhower to the Monroe. But check this out. Standard office comes with the home, but this office is anything but standard. It's got the beautiful French doors, double French door, so it's closed off. A lot of builders will give you an open space here. They've given you gorgeous French doors for a super professional office. And it's a big room too. So if you need storage, if you've got a bigger desk, if you need two desks, this is one of, if not the nicest office I've seen in the new build communities up here in Westfield. All right, you ready for the showstopper? Stick with me. Check it out. Two-story, great room, big open concept space throughout. I don't even know where to start. It's gorgeous. All right, let's take a look. So this is the living, well, let's call it the great room, because when it's two stories like this, it's a great room. Got the brick fireplace all the way up, 2 stories. You are not going to find that everywhere. A lot of people will drywall it. This gives you that gorgeous aesthetic touch throughout. You also have those windows. You don't have to have them, but they're not that expensive, and they are a great touch. They're going to give you additional light. Same for the window above me on the stairs. Those are options they've chosen for the model, and to me, it's not even an option. If you can add a window, I say add a window because it gives you more light. Got the gas fireplace, beautiful mounted TV. You're ready to entertain. All right, now check it out. Here is your eating area off to the side. You've got tons of natural light leading out to your porch. That's a popular option with a lot of builders, and it gives you that additional natural light right off of your eating area, as well as the double window as well. So they've got a nice circular table here. It's got plenty of space for a rectangular one if you don't use that front room as a dining room, if you want to use that as something else. So plenty of space. This house is actually 3,300 square feet. They have different sizes of models too, depending on what you're looking for, what style of home. Maybe the piece de resistance of the downstairs, if it's not the gorgeous great room, the soaring ceilings, 9 foot by the way, all throughout. Check out the kitchen. This island is one of the longest islands I've seen in a new build. It is deluxe, beautiful, plenty of room for seating. And I always tell you to look out for that under the counter seating, because that gives you extra capacity. If you're having a party, let's say you have a graduation party for your kid, or a birthday party, or you're just having game night, having that extra seating makes a big deal, and you have space for seating for days here. So this island is super long. What's a super long island? This is like the Madagascar of islands. All right, you've got stainless steel appliances, standard throughout. You've got stainless steel everything. There's more steel than a 90s movie with Shaq. You've got gas range. You've got the hood vent, gorgeous looking interior. And of course, if you are a fan of cooking, you've got the double ovens. They look great. Over here, you've got your nice coffee bar or drink bar, depending on what you're looking to do with it, but it creates that nice separation so you're not clogging up your counter with all your coffee stuff. You want that in a separate area. My wife and I run into each other all the time in the morning because she's getting coffee, I'm getting something else. It creates a problem, not a problem in this house. Now, if you have your nice big kitchen, you're gonna need a nice big pantry. And we have a nice big pantry in here. Gorgeous, plenty of space. Speaking of big space, check out this entryway from the garage. The garage is an office right now because this is a model home, but you have a huge mudroom here. So no matter what kind of storage solution you want for your mudroom, you've got the space to do it here. And of course, what entryway would be complete without a closet? So they've got the water shutoffs in there, and then there's a front closet in the front. All right, so this is a 4-bedroom house. You can do 4 and 4, 4 and 3, a couple different options with this model. This one got the bedroom here. This one has a special surprise. So not only is it a nice bedroom, nice natural light, let's look behind door number 1. Good solid closet in here. What's the secret to this room? Oh, I don't know. Let's go take a look. Is it just a bedroom? Absolutely not. This is a full ensuite. So this is an option. You can have this be a den if you want it to be. Silverthorne gives you options. If you haven't gotten that by now in the video, you have options with this. But this is actually a full in-law suite. Down here, back in the corner, very easy access, can get to the open space easily, not climbing stairs. So if you're looking for a home with an in-law suite, I mean, this is a good one. Look, you got your own bathroom here. Check it out. So it looks great. Plenty of space in the bedroom, plenty of space in the closet, and even more space in the bathroom. All right, so we've taken a look at the downstairs of this home. But the fun does not end here, my friend. You know what? I bypassed something in the entryway. Can you believe it? It's your powder room or your main floor bath. It's a half bath, so pretty normal. And then of course, here's your entry closet. All right, we've done the main floor. Let's take a look at the upstairs because that is where you're gonna find the rest of your bedrooms. Well, let's stop and pause here. Check out this window. You gotta get this window. This is an optional window. There's no option. Look how awesome that window is. All right. Oh, this is awesome. You've got huge loft. This is the ultimate hangout space. You've got the couch, the TV. Let's put a PS5 or something up here. They've got one of my favorites, the Pellegrino, if you're looking for some mineral water. Very tasty. I'm a fan of the glass bottles when you can find them. A lot of grocery stores don't carry them, but that has nothing to do with the house. Check out how big this upstairs is though. You got this gorgeous little peek over to the downstairs so you can holler at people when dinner's ready or say, hey, can you bring this upstairs? It's open and ready for you. And check out the tray ceiling in the living room. Design, luxury, beautiful. And they've got the whole place decorated really nicely. The primary is right there, but I'm not gonna show you yet. We're gonna look at the other rooms. Oh man, look how big this bedroom is. This is awesome. I know, I overuse the word awesome, but hey, it is what it is. I go in a lot of new builds. They do not have rooms this size. This is huge. This isn't the primary. This is a regular bedroom, and this closet is another room. The room that I grew up in was like the size of this closet in my first house when I was young. Like, this room is awesome. And that's not just, oh man, I gotta find another word. Let's find more superlatives. Check out your laundry room. Huge, plenty of storage space. I would add a standalone unit in there, some type of storage. You could even, if you want to drywall a closet in later, there's plenty of space for that in there. That'd be kind of cool. All right, let's go off to the side. You're gonna have your linen closet for all the 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms. And then here are your other bedrooms. Solid size bedroom off in the corner. Looks like we're playing some lacrosse. We already did ballet. And a big closet. Man, these closets are unbelievable. There's another superlative. Don't judge me. I usually have a better thesaurus in my head. My diction is normally better. Anyway, check out this room. Here's we'll call it bedroom number 4. We've done 2, 3, and 4. Another corner bedroom, solid size. And of course, what bedroom would be complete without another walk-in closet? Now that, I would say, is the smallest of the bedroom closets, and this is probably the smallest bedroom too. So what am I gonna tell you? If you watch the channel, comment below. All right, I'm gonna tell you, finish out the closets. Always finish out the closets. I don't own a closet finishing company. Maybe I should with how much I promote it, but highly, highly recommend. All right, check out the second floor bathroom. You've got the double vanity, so no kids have to be fighting on anything, and the separator door, so that multiple people can be using this bathroom for different purposes. There's your toilet, and of course, your shower tub. Yes, beautiful. So with that, you've got a multifunctional bathroom. You know, some of these will just stick the toilet and the shower in the same room as, you know, a single vanity sink, and that's not gonna get the job done on a 4-bedroom house. They did not overlook that here at Silverthorne. All right, saving the best bedroom for last. Oh my goodness. This is incredible. All right, here's the wow factor. Check out the primary suite. Oh man, this has got to be the biggest primary bedroom I've seen in new build communities in Westfield. I mean, can I even capture this? Beautiful tray ceiling. They've got the hookup up there for your new light fixture if you're a ceiling fan person, or maybe like a fancy kind of chandelier type of thing. They've got that also in the living room. If you didn't notice it, there's one in the ceiling there too. I'm gonna get every angle of this. Like, this is incredible. They do not make primary bedrooms like this in other homes. This is a true differentiator, and definitely, if you're looking to move to Westfield, it's worth giving Somerset West a look because they don't do this everywhere. Here are the, not one, but 2 primary closets, and they're both big. If you haven't gotten that by now, the closets in this house are like caverns. They are right now giant and empty, but ready to be filled up with clothes. I'm gonna call that the hers closet because it's big. This one is more of a normal walk-in closet, so I'm gonna call it the his closet, and it's split. So really nice double closet situation. I know which closet my wife would take, and that's fine. Primary bathroom, guess what? What am I gonna say? It's enormous again. The spaciousness in this home is really, really remarkable. Once again, split sinks, so this is cool, split vanities. It's a his and hers. This modest one in the corner, it looks nice, that's the his. This one has the makeup counter, and I have learned as a married man that the makeup counter is very important. And if you have a shared double vanity, then your counter, as the husband, comes to the makeup counter. So, very, very important. The split vanity, they really did not overlook details here. This is perfectly set up. All right, check out the shower. There are options with tub and shower. Right now, they have this home staged with the very large, beautiful step-in shower. I'm a big fan of the step-in shower. I like glass showers too, but the step-in is it's just nice. It's like you don't have to worry about anything. So options there. You're even getting daylight come in, which is nice. And then you got your linen closet. And of course, your throne room off to the side. Not too exciting. But what can I say about this house that I haven't said already? It's 3,300 square feet, and it somehow manages to feel even bigger. I would say the standouts here are the primary bedroom, which is just incredible. And I'm gonna peek in here again, the ballet room. I'll call this bedroom 2. This room is really big. So this home is actually a 5-bedroom home. Standard as a 4. I said it was a 4-bedroom earlier. It's because it's standard as a 4 and 3. This is a 5 and 4 because it's got 3 bedrooms upstairs, plus the primary upstairs, plus the in-law suite downstairs. So the big thing here are the options. I mean, what other place are you gonna get not only a sizable loft, but you're gonna get really, really good size rooms and even possibly better size closets? So let's run down the list. So the Monroe is going to run you around in the upper 400s is where it starts, in the 480s. With the options that you see in this house, it's going to be over 500,000, and that is the biggest top model for this neighborhood. There are lots of other options that Silverthorne has, and every one of them is named after a president. So you probably know all the names. There's like a Van Buren and Eisenhower, et cetera, et cetera. If you're looking for something a little bit smaller than this, that's fine. They've got you covered too. really just this community is beautiful. It's nestled here in Westfield. It's a booming area, and really you've seen a lot of the new build walkthroughs I do on this channel. This one has that extra degree of optionality, and that's so cool because you don't get that everywhere. You also have large bedrooms, large closets. You have the 2-story, a great room with the 2-story brick fireplace. You've got the flex space up front. There's so much to love here in Somerset West. So this is a beautiful home. If you want to see this one or other ones, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell as hard as you can so that you are keeping in the loop on all the new builds in Westfield and everything going on in Indianapolis, the Circle City that we love and call home. I'm Evan Deal with the Lead Icon team at eXp Realty, and if you're looking to make a move, all of my contact information is below. You can contact me any way, text, email, phone. Best of all, let's set up a Zoom because I'd love to meet you. And leave comments below. What do you think? Where do you want us to go next? Well, I can't wait to see you in the next one. This is Living in Indianapolis, Indiana.